too much jewelry can look. Hello everybody, welcome to my video. As you can see, I have another theatrical romantic tutorial for you. This time is my new makeup routine. I always wear this same makeup everywhere I go, but I'm also sharing with you some tips, and I don't know why, but I'm on vacation again, so at the end I will show you the place. On my first theatrical romantic tutorial, I was in San Diego. This time I'm in Miami, where I currently live. So I will show you this beautiful place at the end. But first I want to tell you some things. First of all, I'm not a professional. If you already follow me, first, thank you. And second, if you don't follow me, please subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, Lilac Susie. So I'm not a professional. I just love all of this Kibbe Body type series. I share it with all of my friends. And obviously, I'm a theatrical romantic. So I'm sharing with you this really easy makeup tutorial that I love because it shows our big eyes and our lips a lot. I love that contrast, but you can adapt this same makeup to your colors, to your preference. But I want you to stay until the end because I'm also sharing some outfit ideas and more theatrical romantic tips with you. So I'll see you at the end. So I literally wake up like this. As you can see, I'm wearing my pajamas. It says pajamas all day from Walmart. And I'm not feeling like brushing my hair today. So let's just start with the makeup. Let's start by taking the hair off the face. And I will try not to cut too much of the video because I want this to be realistic. And even though this is like maybe 15 minutes of makeup, or maybe less, but trust me, you can do this whole makeup in like 5 minutes if you really want to. It's so easy because I use a lot of contrast, so I don't have to blend that much or anything. With an, of course, clean and hydrated face, I will start by applying some concealer on my acne, dark spots, and everything. I've never used a foundation. I hate it. I don't like the results. I think it changed the whole appearance of my face. I don't know why. I think foundation is too heavy for us. Maybe a BB cream is okay, like in my previous video. But please comment below if you enjoy some foundations, if you do use them. Which one do you recommend for me? Also, I will list all of these products used. They are not so many, but a few on my description down below. And I know some of you will say like, you look pretty without makeup. I just like this makeup. It looks awesome on pictures, so yeah. But concealer won't last the whole day, so we need to apply some powder. Here I'm using some loose powder. It also acts as a concealer and I just apply with my fingers. It's the best way that it blends with my skin and it doesn't look bad. So I'll use powder only where I applied the concealer before. And now you will see that I applied the powder also around my eyebrows, but not directly on my bags or under my eyes or around, because I want this area to be a little bit greasy, since this time I'm using some powder eyeshadow, opposite to the previous makeup routine where I use some creamy eyeshadow. So this time I want this lid and under eye to be a little bit greasy, so the powder eyeshadow sticks better. Tell me down below if you know what I mean. Sometimes I feel like I don't make sense at all. Sorry, but I mean, I'm doing everything, almost no cuts, so you can see. you can see for yourself. And now look, this Cosmic Nude, I can't find this eyeshadow palette here on USA. I don't know why. This was a gift from my aunt and this is awesome. This works for me for both eyebrows and eyes. Yeah, I made like a whole, let's say, smoky eyes with this just one eyeshadow palette, and I also do my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm showing you the two colors I use to color my eyebrows. Obviously my hair is red, but my eyebrows I like some shadow of gray. So I mix both colors, and yes, I apply it with the same sponge that comes with the palette. I know this is kind of funny, but it works. I obviously wash this frequently, but it works so good, and I reapply until I feel like my eyebrows are kind of a little bit darker than my hair. But it's the best way I found to make my eyebrows look not natural, but I like the contrast. I only like them a little bit darker than my hair, and as the same Aliart said on her video, girls, I'm sorry, but we can't wear very thick eyebrows. We just can't get away with medium eyebrows. I love thin eyebrows, that's my thing. Then it's important to clean around them. But yeah, for me, my eyebrows are ready, and now I'm using some black eyeshadow. This black is not too strong. I usually also use some very dark gray eyeshadow, and I only apply the eyeshadow on my lid. I'm sorry if I repeat too much, I'm just trying to follow my own tutorial. But yeah, so basically I follow my natural lash line and I color everywhere around my eye, but mostly on the center part of the eye and the inner corner and also the outer corner. So basically all around, but I like it darker in the inner corner and outer corner, so it looks like a cat eye in some way. Maybe I can do another video explaining like this. This is not even a technique, but whatever. So I put my sponge like this, like I put it horizontal instead of vertical, and then I grab the same eyeshadow and I will line my under eye. I line not only the lower lash line, but again the inner corner. So basically, you take some black eyeshadow and you line everywhere. I hope you can see it here, and I know this may be a little dramatic for most of you maybe, but I don't know, I feel like in general when you see me from even up close, as I'm not wearing too much skin makeup, it doesn't look heavy. I don't know why, but I think it's just perfect. Obviously not just the eyes, but the combination between the eyes and the lip makeup that you'll see now. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. I'm just leaving it so you can see. I know this may look obvious for you, but I used to line my eyes with only an eyeliner, not liquid liner, but pencil liner, and it looks so harsh on me. I kind of like that my eye shape looked great with the liner, but it also looks so harsh. I couldn't do much lip makeup. But now with the dark eyeshadow, wow, I feel like it's the best of both worlds because, you know, my eye shape looks great, but it also looks soft enough. I don't know if I'm making sense again or not, but basically if you are a theatrical romantic and you're used to line your eyes with an eye pencil, just try eyeshadow and maybe you will fall in love as I did. So now I'm basically looking
for a napkin so I can clean a little bit. It's important to do this with any makeup you do, but especially if you're using dark colors around your eyes. You have to constantly be cleaning to refine the shape. And now the most important step, I will say, for our eyes, maybe, I don't know, I'm between the eyeshadow and mascara, but mascara is definitely important. I use my favorite one. I will link it down below, as I said. I don't apply too much as the smoky eye is so strong that you won't be able to see the lashes really. So it's not worth it to apply a lot of coats, but that little touch makes our eyes really pop and really look great in people. Now this part will go a little bit fast because I'm just applying some mascara, and next to it I will show you how I line my lips, and all of my lip makeup is also key in this look. Obviously I'm getting all the attention to the eyes and lips, but I have a whole video about my lips. I will leave it also on the description down below, but I will show you only a little bit. So it's very easy. Basically I only use some lip liner and lip balm. Yes, you heard that right, lip balm. You can learn everything about how I line my lips right here. So pretty easy, very feminine. I'm loving this makeup already. I love how I look right now. I feel so confident with this makeup actually. And in the previous video I was talking about trying this new EOS lipstick Moodstone, and yes, I'm loving it. Please tell me if you use it. I feel it lasts so long. It works as a blush too, so it's a win-win. I really love it. It smells so good. I don't like the package. I know it's like the EOS signature, but I don't find it useful. But for traveling it's good. And here you can see my trick, my blush trick. Some of you told me on my previous video that you tried it and it works, and I'm so glad. I do this every single day since I discover it or try it. As I told you on my previous video, actually, I learned this tip from a professional makeup artist. She used the lipstick as a blush too, and it works because there's nothing worse than using a warm toned lipstick and then a cool toned blush, or vice versa. That looks awful, and sometimes you think I'm doing everything like Nikki tutorials, like Jeffree Star, and I'm not looking perfect. Why is that? Well, obviously, number one, we all know that Kibbe Body types. Maybe we are trying some makeup for another type, or maybe we are just doing these simple color things wrong. I learned this the hard way. I thought that blush was like a cool tone pink, like a bluish pink, and I was always using that tone no matter the color of my hair, no matter the color of my eyes or my lips. So always that was something off. But using my trick, you won't fail that one. Now you look at yourself in the mirror and you clean anything that needs to be cleaned. And last but not least, I will usually apply some rose water to fix the makeup and to get a great smell and health benefits. But I am traveling, as I told you, and I don't have it here, so let's just skip that, but if you can, use it. I love the final results, but please tell me down below what do you think about this makeup, if you will try it or not, and stay tuned for more theatrical romantic tips.
Also, I was planning on film theatrical romantic perfumes for today, but as I told you, I'm on vacation. I'm not at my house, so I don't have my perfumes here. But I wanted to ask you, Which video do you want to watch next? Do you want to watch best perfumes for Theatrical Romantics, or do you want to watch outfit ideas for Christmas? Tell me down below. Okay, so now I will share some outfit ideas. On my first tutorial, I told you that jewelry is really important for us, and that is true, of course, but I'm not the biggest fan of jewelry ever. So, for example, I did a little bit of a trick here because, as you can see, this sweater, I love it because it's really tight, and I think we must wear really tight clothes. At least our top part must be really tight. So, as you can see, this sweater that I'm wearing already has like a little bit of circle over here that looks like a necklace. It's not a jewelry, but still, with this is enough for us. Too much jewelry can look... We can't wear too much jewelry, so a little detail like this is more than enough for us. Of course, you can also wear with this maybe a bracelet or something, but with this is more than enough for us. Maybe some pendants. So yeah, my tips for this video are: always wear a tight top part and maybe a small detail here and there. But I want to know, which video do you want to watch next? Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my Instagram for more outfit ideas, and see you on the next one. Oh, and also read you on the comments. Bye.
And as promised at the beginning of the video, here you can see me having lots of fun showing my makeup, this room, but I want to show you the window where you have been sitting this whole time. Look, it's so beautiful. I enjoy my time here so much. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and see you. Mwah.